Hey everyone, I'm Valerie Wyndham, and joining me today is the Chief Marshal for the Extra Mile Cycle Challenges, Preston Ayres. Now Preston, today we're here to discuss safety, keeping everyone on the right roads. What is your overall approach to this?
Well, our overall approach is that those are both so important to us. Safety, absolutely important, but also not losing cyclists is equally important. We've got an overall approach here whereby we say to cyclists, continue on the road on which you're cycling until we say otherwise, until we arrow you off that road. And in order to arrow you off that road, we've developed a small group of arrows that help us. We have directional arrows, left and right, pretty straightforward, but they are different, and they are designed such that if they were actually amended, we have had that once or twice, not very often, but an upside down arrow is quite obviously wrong. So we have those signs together with a straight on arrow, and the other clear message is we only use each arrow for its purpose. There's one type of junction we know cyclists want a bit of help, and that is at a roundabout. Very important for a cyclist to be in the right lane at a roundabout. So in advance of the roundabout, we give the approximate direction of departure, and then you continue round that roundabout until we actually arrow you off the roundabout. Also, when we're on the continent, every town, small or large, has a sign when you leave the town, and we place a comfort arrow there to provide that comfort that you're cycling into the countryside on the correct road. But we know from our experience that cyclists get increasingly worried if they cycle for some time and see no arrows. So our golden rule is to place an arrow at least every mile and a half, providing we can find a post on which to fix it.
Now coming on to safety, you have red warning signs.
We do indeed. Safety, I suppose I need to say now, has to be the responsibility of the cyclist. There are road signs, follow them, be careful. But in order to help, we have developed a very simple but highly visible explanation sign. This sign will be placed in advance of any particularly bad hazard that we have identified.
So the first bit of advice seems to be the best. If you see a bright red exclamation mark in front of you, immediately slow down and take extra care. So that's it. That's how we guide our cyclists around the route.
Almost.
Oh, there's more.
But not a lot. We have one other sign we developed, which is self-explanatory. But it is useful at a complex junction where it might be possible to take the wrong road. So just up any incorrect route, we might place one of these.
So there's a very simple rule here. Never cycle past one of these signs.
Absolutely right.
Definitely. Well, thank you so much, Preston. Thank you for pointing the way for the Extra Mile Cycle Challenges.